Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today episode we got this cool material right here, and basically what this is a tri-folding memory foam topper that you can basically use as a bed or a mattress at home, in the office, or anywhere else, even in your car if you guys want to. So I actually did an unboxing video of this product before, and when I first got the product, it wasn't fully inflated because like I mentioned, it would probably take you guys more than 24 hours or even 48 hours for it to fully expand. And right now it's been around like 4 or 5 days, and you can see it expanded a lot. So I'm actually fully opening it to show you guys what the product looks like when it's fully expanded. So see, this is what the product looks like once it's fully expanded. You can see how much bigger it is now compared to when I actually first opened up. If you guys are curious about what it actually looks like, it looks something like this. So you see right there when we actually first opened up, it's barely even thick at all. But even during that time when it wasn't fully inflated, it definitely feels pretty comfortable as well. But now that this is actually fully inflated, let me actually open up to show you guys what it actually looks like compared to before. So the way how you guys open up is actually very simple. All you have to do is open up like this. And once you guys do that, you can start using it. But when you guys look at the side right here, it is pretty thick. Like I mentioned, it is a 4-inch mattress topper. And what I really like about this product right here is the fact that it is tri-folding. So when you guys want to use it, you guys can take it out. But once you guys are done using it, you guys can fold it back up, just like I showed you guys earlier. But let's hop on and test it out to see how it feels now compared to before. So once we hop on now, it actually feels a lot better. You definitely feel a lot more that comfort and support on here compared to before. Even though before when it wasn't fully inflated yet, it still feels pretty comfortable. But now that it's fully inflated, you definitely get a lot more that comfort and support. If you see when you push it down, it comes back out really easy. If you see when I lay it down, it does have the coverage for my head and also for my feet as well. So this is what the product looks like once you got fully inflated. If you see, it definitely looks pretty nice and definitely feels really comfortable as well. So once you guys are done using it, you guys can fold it back up. So just like that, and it's all set. And you can see this is what the bottom part looks like. And they do have a zipper design on here, so that way you can open up and wash the cover if you guys want to. But the memory foam layer inside, you guys cannot wash it. And here is a close-up view of what the product looks like. So now that we're unboxing and testing the product, and also a little bit update about the product as well. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually still worth it. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it's still pretty worth it if you guys want one of these. Especially if you guys are living somewhere like an apartment or something where there's not a lot of space, or if you guys want to save some space, then definitely getting one of these is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't even want have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.